Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image around here, and basically what these are some stick-on door handles. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what it looks like inside. So the product is all nicely wrapped up. Let's take it out first. So when you guys do get it, they do provide guys two of them, and both of them are the same. So I'm gonna take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. When you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels like a high quality stainless steel material. And when you guys do grip it, it does give you guys a pretty good grip and a good amount of space for you guys to put your whole hand inside to open it if you guys do need to. And then for the other side, we do have the 3M tape. So once you guys peel this out, then just stick it onto your door or wherever you guys want to set this up. And what I do recommend is that before you guys apply this on, you guys want to use some alcohol wipes to wipe down the door. And then you guys want to use like a dry piece of paper to wipe it down before you guys apply it on. So that way it sticks a lot better. So this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually go set it up to show you guys how to install it and also show you guys what the product looks like once you guys do set up. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here is basically where I'm going to install the handle. So you can see right here, I don't have a handle, I don't have the lock option. So that is basically why I want to install it right here. So first thing I want to do is get an alcohol wipe to actually wipe it down first. Then we're going to use a dry piece of paper to wipe it down before I should apply it on. Alright, so I got the alcohol wipe right here. Let's wipe it down. Actually, I'm going to install it on top right here. So that way I don't have to hold the handle right here, I can hold it right here instead. Alright, so once you guys do that, then now you guys want to get a dry piece of paper to wipe it down. Once you guys do that, then you guys can apply it on. Alright, so you basically want to peel off this part right here and then just stick it on. Alright, so just like that. Then you guys want to stick it on to wherever you guys want. So I'm probably going to stick on right here. Once you guys do that, then it's all set. So you basically just let it kind of stick by itself, then you guys are all set. So now you basically have a handle option for you guys to open it and close it if you guys do need to. So that way you guys don't have to drill another doorknob or door handle on here, which is really convenient. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. Alright, going back guys. So when I saw a quick test of the product, and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So like I mentioned, once you guys apply like the alcohol and wipe it down, they can just stick on really easily. What I do recommend is that when you guys do stick it on, you don't want to use it immediately. You probably want to let it stick for like a few hours or even like a few minutes first before you guys start using it. Basically, the longer you guys leave it on, the better it'll work. If you see the way how I set it up, it's actually pretty cool. So that way I don't have to drill like another hole for a handle option. I can just use the handle to actually open up and close the door for my storage room if I do want to. Because for the door that I already have right now, if you guys can see, all I have is a lock option and I didn't have any handle for me to open and close it. So that is where one of these actually comes in handy. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did the unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality stick-on door handle, like the one that we got right here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.